Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to redirect a 404 not found page to your homepage in Weebly. This is incredibly useful because when visitors land on a broken or missing page, you want to guide them back to your main site rather than leaving them stranded on an error page. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Weebly homepage where you can manage all your websites. Now, look over to the left side menu where you'll see several options. Click on Website. This will reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, click on Edit Site. You'll see a list of all the websites associated with your account. Choose the website you want to work on, and then on the right side of the screen, click the Edit button. This action will take you into the editor page of your chosen website where you can make all your design and content changes. Once you're in the editor, focus your attention on the top menu. Here you'll see all the pages of your website listed. Locate and click on your 404 page. This is the page that appears when someone tries to access a link on your site that doesn't exist. Now comes the important part. You have a couple of effective options to redirect visitors from this error page back to your homepage. The first method involves linking text to your homepage. Simply click on the text element you want to use as a redirect link. Highlight the text by clicking and dragging over it, then look for the link icon and click it. A menu will appear with different linking options. Click on Standard Page and from the list that appears, select your home page. This creates a clickable text link that will send visitors directly to your home page. The second method uses a button element, which is often more visually appealing and easier for visitors to notice. Click on the button element on your 404 page. Then click the link option. Just like before, click on Standard Page and select your home page from the list. This turns your button into a direct pathway back to your main site. Both options work perfectly, and you can even use both on the same page for maximum effectiveness. Once visitors click either the link text or the button, they'll be instantly redirected to your homepage, ensuring they stay engaged with your site rather than leaving in frustration. And that's it. You've successfully set up redirects on your Weebly 404 page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.